Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for all the drone enthusiasts out there. We'll be comparing two popular drones in the market, the DJI Mini 2 SE and the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top in various categories. The DJI Mini 2 SE is priced at $339. While the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is priced at $1,159. It's clear that the DJI Mini 2 SE wins this round with its more affordable price tag. Both the DJI Mini 2 SE and the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus offer excellent portability. The DJI Mini 2 SE weighs less than 249 grams, making it incredibly lightweight and portable. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus also boasts a user-friendly, easy-to-carry experience, allowing you to travel light without the need for registration. It's a tie in this category as both drones offer excellent portability. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers impressive imaging with its easy-to-use shooting templates and the ability to capture professional-level videos. It also has a 31-minute maximum flight time, allowing you to capture more footage. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus takes it up a notch with stunning vertical videos in 4K 60 FPS HDR. It also has omnidirectional obstacle sensing for enhanced safety. In terms of camera capabilities, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus takes the lead. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers a maximum transmission range of 10 kilometers thanks to its DJI OcuSync technology. This allows you to fly farther and capture more. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus, on the other hand, provides a 20 kilometers FHD video transmission, offering lag-free image transmission and an immersive aerial experience. In terms of transmission and range, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus wins this round. Both the DJI Mini 2 SE and the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus offer excellent battery life. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers a 31-minute maximum flight time, and the combo includes 2 additional intelligent flight batteries for a total flight time of up to 93 minutes. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus promises extended battery life for uninterrupted, longer flights. It also includes 3 long-endurance batteries. In terms of battery life, both drones offer excellent performance, but the DJI Mini 2 SE takes a slight edge with its combo package. Based on online reviews, customers have praised the DJI Mini 2 SE for its lightweight and compact design, smooth and steady footage, easy controls, and excellent customer service from DJI. Some reviewers recommend activating the extended warranty within 48 hours of purchasing. On the other hand, customers have highlighted the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus for its superior camera quality, stunning vertical videos in 4K 60 FPS HDR, and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. They also appreciate the extended battery life and immersive aerial experience. Overall, both drones have received positive reviews, with the DJI Mini 2 SE being recommended for beginners and budget-conscious buyers, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus is favored by those looking for advanced features and a superior camera. And that concludes our comparison between the DJI Mini 2 SE and the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. Both drones have their strengths and cater to different needs. The DJI Mini 2 SE is perfect for beginners and those on a budget, while the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus offers advanced features and a superior camera. It's up to you to decide which one suits your requirements better. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.